Woo! Back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. Bonz featuring Chef P is a St. Louis style way of barbecuing, but you're rocking with a chef that just doesn't barbecue. What you're looking at is that tomahawk steak, family, that the chef is getting ready to. I got about maybe 150 of these to do, family. So first we're gonna put that olive oil and that Worcestershire sauce down. And then we're gonna come behind that with that minced garlic. Then we're gonna hit it with my 24 herbs and spices. And then we're gonna hit it with those herbs because this is what makes the world go round. The ups and downs, the carousel. Bonz be changing things.